Hey YouTube, I'm gonna show you how to get the police helicopter in Gangstar Miami Vindication. Right now I'm on top of the gun shop in the red or orange district, which is not where you get a police helicopter. This is where you get a regular helicopter. It's near the cornfield, and what I want you to do is kind of hover over the cornfield until you find like an octopus looking field. Let's see here. Guess it's not that cornfield. Probably this one. There it is. Okay, that's the secret octopus. Okay. There's the secret octopus. It's got all these, like, tentacle-looking grass things. And you go up this hay bale with some hazardous waste thing or whatever. Go up here. Is that my helicopter? Or... yeah, it's mine. Okay, might as well get rid of this first. Let me just destroy this helicopter first. Because it doesn't work with that, when you have a regular helicopter. Oh, there it is. I thought it didn't work. So, ignore me destroying the helicopter. So once again, you go down there, go up the hay bales. It's hard to miss the hay bales. They'll be right in the center of the grass, so go up there and turn, and right there near the farmer or whatever's house, near the sea, right here. And you go up there, up the octopus, and that's how you get the police helicopter. Thanks for watching.